Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to integrate and connect WhatsApp on your Echo. So that's super simple. It's going to be very quick. So you just got to edit you're going to go to integrations and then WhatsApp. And once that's done, you're going to click on connect WhatsApp and that should open a new tab for you. Continue. I'm going to use this one. Just remember, you have to have a WhatsApp business account to make it work. A simple WhatsApp account is not allowed by the Meta apps, unfortunately. So that's you connected. And now if we go to this phone number, which is connected to the WhatsApp, and we can say just, hi, how are you doing? And let's see what the Echo says. It should reply using the personality, the knowledge of the Echo that you connected. It's like you're using your chat page, but on WhatsApp, basically. There we go. And just to show you that this is my own Echo, if I'm asking what's your website, it's gonna know exactly that this is my website, and it's gonna trigger it in the chat, just like it would do on the chat page. There we go. That's it working. Just another test. What about your ex? X is in Twitter, of course. Right. There we go. It's showing my ex. Everything is working well. So I guess we can end here. So that's super simple, as I showed you guys. You have it connected, you're able to leave it active or not, so you can pause your integration. So if you don't want it to be active in your WhatsApp, you don't want your AI to reply for your messages on the WhatsApp, you want to go back on manual mode, that's what you would do. You will go right here and make it to pause or state active if you wanted to as well. So that's it. We press publish just to make sure that this is working, and that should be it, guys. That should be it. Echo's ready, working on the web page, but also of course on your WhatsApp now. So yeah, that's it. Over to you guys. Enjoy the Echo platform, and if you have any other questions, obviously you just have to reach out to us. Cheers. Bye bye.